In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for SEO content. This is a quick way to create optimized content that can rank better on search engines. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create SEO content. For example, I might type, "Write an SEO optimized blog post about digital marketing tips." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a piece of content, including headings, keywords, and structured sections. If I want better SEO results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the target keyword, audience, or word count. For example, I might type, "Write a 1,000-word SEO article targeting the keyword digital marketing strategies." Claude can also help generate meta descriptions, titles, and keyword suggestions. If needed, I can ask Claude to optimize existing content by pasting it into the chat and requesting improvements. Once the content is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it on my website or blog. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for SEO content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.